Hey guys, Ratchet Reviews here with my first Dark of the Moon video review, and this time I'm going to be doing the Cyberverse Optimus Prime with the trailer. And now here he is in the truck mode. He does roll, but not too well with the trailer on him. The trailer goes along with the truck too. It doesn't rotate at all, which you'll see why when I detach this thing. Now these wheels right here are just these one single piece of plastic that goes all the way through there, and it's just one single piece, and there's like no traction to it, so it doesn't roll along with these wheels, which have a lot of friction holding them on, so it has a problem actually rolling. Now let's get the trailer off and let's focus on just the truck for a second. Trucks, both of these pieces together are very nice, very well done interpretations of what it looks like in the movie. Except for his flames are completely absent. So, now that he's in this mode, he does roll a bit better, but it's still kind of crap. And yes, also I've got him displayed in the little pack-in display that came with too, which is the scene from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen with the Allspark and the guys protecting it. The last Allspark fragment said to be. So, in order to transform Optimus Prime into his robot mode, first thing you want to do is add, it's not probably the first thing you want to do, but this is what I'm going to do. You're going to start by pulling the front bit forward and separate the back section right there. Separate these pieces right here. Rotate this entire bit right here down, so his waist, his legs, everything down, and rotate it around. Move these pieces up like that, and then slide the entire thing forward. But first, I forgot, fold this piece up, and that will reveal his head. And then fold those all the way around. Clip the waist into place. Fold down the arms, and separate the legs. And there we have the Cyberverse Commander form for Optimus Prime in his robot mode. Now, it's alright, but he's missing a lot of his colors because of all this dull black, this dull gray and the silver stuff that's on there. It's kind of taking away the Optimus Prime look to it. He still has all the red and blue that he's supposed to have, but it just looks kind of off-putting. And it's a nice display figure. What are you going to do? It's a bit bigger than a mini-bot. Let's put Power Glide here. So yeah, he's not really like the Legends class toys anymore. He's a bit bigger. And now for the trailer, to get it into its platform mode, what you're going to do is you're going to separate this, or you're going to first take this piece off. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first got this thing out of the package and everything, I was trying to get it transformed, this thing was pissing me off to the point, just the trailer, it was pissing me off to the point of me going back to the Walmart I bought it from and returning it. I am not joking, this thing would not go together at all. Every time I would try to transform it, pieces would pop off, and I would have to start all the way over, and it was frustrating. Come on, let's get this. Yeah, see what I mean? It's just, this piece clips in way too well. You practically have to destroy it. There we go. So let's get everything back together so we can pull it all apart again. Okay, so yeah, you take this piece off, and there's also the missile here. the missile goes on, but it's one of these finicky missiles where it kind of sticks up like that and goes in there like that, but it still fires really well actually. It also can fire if you don't even push the trigger sometimes. But yeah. So we just need to take that off, move that out of the way, and now this piece, you separate the trailer bits down. I gotta remember how to do this because I've only messed with this like so few times. Fold this bit forward so it starts looking like that. Rotate these bits all the way around. Fold that down. Fold this piece down and fold that like that. And then push those pieces into there. Like that. And then we're gonna have to move this back. And then, oh, never mind, you don't want to move that down, you want to keep that up. And then you can place that piece there, and then you have the battle platform. And then you can just put his hands in the little posts, and then he can operate the gun. So yeah, that's pretty nifty. I mean, it gives the trailer some use. But also, the trailer has one more use. It becomes battle armor for this Optimus Prime. And so, in order to do that, separate these pieces and fold them down. Fold this piece right there. And then take this piece off and then fold all that up like that. And for right now, so we can get Optimus in here, let's leave it out like this. Oh, and I also forgot the arms. Fold them around and fold these panels. Oh, like this. Do this on both sides, so I'll just show you this because I already got that. So that's what it's going to look like. And then the 3mm little piece right there will go into a clip right up in there, which was also the same. This is the same piece where it clips onto for the trailer to combine, which is actually the same piece that he goes on before. I didn't realize that. That's the same piece. The reason why the trailer doesn't pivot when you have it in truck mode is because it clips on right there on a 3mm clip joint rather than a post hole or whatever, so there's no pivoting whatsoever in that. Alright, so then you get him clipped in there, and you get him standing on the wheel pieces right there, and there's actually pieces inside the legs that will clip in, and then flip these all the way around, and then put his hands in these, or put the handles in his hands. And there we have Optimus in his, I want to say this is an exosuit, considering the fact that he's got the, he's holding on to pieces for the arms, so it's more like an exosuit that he pilots rather than being just body armor. And then you can take this piece and plug it into either one of these hands. Let's put it in this one, I guess. And oh, there goes the missile. Good thing my hand was in the way, and now it doesn't want to stay in there. And now these are on ball joints, so they can go in every which way you want. Every which way. These are also on ball joints, but you'll probably break your Optimus by moving those. And so there is Dark. Ooh, I also forgot to mention this. And since he's got all this crap and you can't even see it, wait. His eyes are painted in a slightly light blue. Yeah, they're painted in this metallic light blue, so it kind of gives it off. It gives the designs for his eyes off, which you can't even really tell from this far away. Like, the only way you could actually really tell is if you get right up close in his face and actually see. And one real quick comparison with Power Glide again. He doesn't get that much bigger, but he's just got a lot of bulk on his back and arms, pretty much. That's what it looks like on the back. So now he's a brick, pretty much. He has no posability. He had a lot of posability, actually, in this mode. In his normal robot mode. Yeah. Very nice display piece. I really do like this one. I might pick up more Cyberverse Transformers, but for right now, I'm going to have Optimus, because Optimus is cool. And so that's about it. Nothing really much else to say about him other than he looks badass, honestly. And hopefully I did these right. Either that or I kind of got them backwards. But that just looks like it's restricting. Oh, yeah. That would not work because those are guns. That's a gun. So yeah, there's not going to be very much anything else to do with him. He's a brick. He's a nice display piece, though. If you have the display stand, he looks great on it, even though there's humans that he's smaller than. It works. I might get the same class Megatron one, though, but So yeah, this was Ratchet Review's video review of the Cyberverse Commander, $15 sized. Yeah, this was $15, I shit you not. $7 for just this guy with his jetpack versus $15 for him in the trailer. It's more screen accurate, so the Cyberverse Optimus Prime, and this is Ratchet Reviews, and I will see you again next time.